welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a video on how I lay my lace fronts, my wigs, my frontals, my closures, all that good stuff with Pump It Up Spritz. I know y'all probably thinking like, how in the world does Pump It Up Spritz even work on laying lace fronts? But it does, and this is what I love to use, considering the fact that I don't use real lace glue ever. I've never used real lace glue because I'm just too scared of losing my edges. I can't do that. And even got to be glued like that, starting to like, it was breaking out my hairline in the front. So I decided to try something new, and I tried Pump It Up Spritz, and I've been doing this for a while now. Yeah, so if you are interested in seeing how I laid this baby down, and let me show you, it is secured, and how I laid this down, then make sure you stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to start by doing is taking a makeup wipe, and I'm going to wipe off any product, any makeup that might be in front of my hairline. This is going to help to make it to where your lace actually adheres to your skin better. It's going to make it to where it doesn't lift as fast, and it just makes your lace look even better, because if you do have any product, it will show through your lace and have it looking all crusty looking. So make sure you wipe it off really good. And right here, I'm just pulling my lace up just to make sure that it's lining up where I want it to line up at, and that it's going to lay exactly where I want it to lay. And you don't have to do this step, but I did notice that some of my hair was sticking up in the front. I don't want any of my hair to get caught up in the spritz, so I'm going to make sure I take some edge control or gel or whatever you have on hand and just use that to swoop all of that hair back. Now taking the Pump It Up Spritz, you're going to spray in front of your hairline. You're not going to spray this on your hair. You're spraying this in front of your hairline because that's where the lace is going to be laying at. And you're going to use a generous amount of this stuff. Like, you need a lot, because if you don't use a lot, when you start blow drying, it's gonna dry too fast, and it's not gonna get sticky enough for your lace to stick to it. So just make sure you put, a lot. You can go heavy-handed on this product, and it is gonna dry clear no matter how much you spray. So don't worry about being scared to spray too much. So once all that is sticky and tacky, I'm going to pull the front part of my lace first, really tight. I'm going to work in sections. You can see right here, I was about to try to do it all at once, but I ended up being like, you know what, no, let me stick to what I usually do and work in sections. It just makes it come out neater and, just more precise and just more perfect. So just take your time when you're doing this. This is not a rush job. You have to take your time when you're doing any type of lace, closures, all that stuff, or it will not come out good. Now taking the spritz on the side of my hairline, because it did dry up a little bit while I was in the front, I'm going to blow dry that some more, get it tacky again. And then I'm going to proceed to lay this side down as well. And try your best to keep the hair out of the way of the spritz and the lace. Like, as you can see, even I messed up a little bit, but I did fix it in the end. But it just makes everything so much easier once you get to styling it, that you don't have to worry about getting all this hair out of the way. It's way easier doing this with spritz though, because if it was glue, it would have been super stuck and it would have just been looking a hot mess. So thankfully, it was just spritz, and it was easy to fix all the hair that is sticking to my skin. But go in as needed and spray more spritz if you have to. But as you can see, I'm blow drying it. The hair is lifting up, and the lace is not moving at all. And now I'm going to just do the other side. Once again, this side did dry as well, so I had to spray a little bit more spritz. Blow dry that as well, get it nice and tacky, and then start to lay it down.
Perfect.
taking more spritz just to make sure that everything is secured and that this lace is not going anywhere. I'm going to take the blow dryer and go over that one last time just to make sure that everything dried. And as you can see on this side, the hair is blowing and pulling, you know, in the opposite direction of the lace, and the lace is not moving whatsoever. It is sticking to my skin. And right here, everything is dry. You can see it's not going anywhere. I'm going to pull it for you guys so that y'all can see it's not moving whatsoever. Now I'm going to go back in with another makeup wipe and clean up all that excess spritz that did run down, and you know, just get it looking more neat. Now I'm going to start to disguise the lace even more. I like to pull out some baby hairs, not too much. I used to be like really heavy on the baby hairs, but lately I like a more natural look. So I just pull out a little bit, and this helps to, you know, make it look even more natural. I haven't mastered a lace to where I don't need to have any baby hairs. That's my next step. That's what I want to do next, because, you know, I don't feel like doing baby hairs all the time, you know, like I do enough with my natural hair. So when it comes to laces, sometimes I do want to just be able to put one on and not have to do this, but I have not mastered that yet, but I will. So for the meantime, I'm going to just do my regular swoops. I do one in the front, and then I also do one on each side, and then my sideburns, and that's really all I do. So I'm going to speed this part up for y'all because this part was really tedious, and I'm going to just let y'all, you know, see what I do. And this is how it looks once everything is done and dried and the baby hairs have set. You don't need a scarf. Well, I didn't need to use a scarf because it pretty much, you know, just, it all set really fast considering that it's spritz. Spritz dries really fast. But yeah, that is what I do now to lay my lace closures, my frontals, my wigs. That's all I do. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and I will see y'all on the next video. Bye.